Hello all, in this video we are going to construct a DFA for the language over A, B that does not contain the substring ABB. So for this problem, we can construct a DFA for the substring ABB, then we can interchange all the final states as non-final states and non-final states as final states. So first we will construct a DFA to accept all strings having the substring ABB. So for that, we have to start with the start state Q naught. If A is the current input symbol, then it can go to the state Q1. From Q1, if B is the input, it can go to Q2. Then from Q2, for the next input B, it can reach the final state Q3. So normally, we will start drawing the DFA for the substring problem like this. Then we will construct the remaining transitions. That is from Q0 we have to draw the transition for B, from Q1 A, from Q2 A, then from Q3 A and B. It means in Q0, if the current input is B, it means the string starts with B. Means still we need to recognize ABB to reach the final state. But the first input is B, so that we have to be in the same state. We should remain in the same state for the input B. Then we will be in state Q1 after recognizing A. So after recognizing A, suppose the next input is A. If the next input is B, means we can change the state to Q2. But after recognizing A, if another A is coming, one more A is coming, means still we need two more B's to reach the final state. So that we should remain in the same state. We have to wait for two more B's. So in Q1, if A is the input symbol, it should remain in the same state. Similarly, in Q2, we will be in state Q2 after recognizing A and B, AB substring. So after recognizing AB, we will be in state Q2. If B is the next input, then we can reach the final state because our input has a substring B. But if the input is A, means after recognizing AB, if the input is A, means still we need B, two B's to reach the final state. So in Q2, if A is the input, then we need to read two more B's to reach the final state. So in Q2, if A is the input, then it state goes to the previous state Q1. So now we need to consider state Q3. So we will be in state Q3 after reading ABB as a substring. So after reading ABB, if for any number of A's and B's, it may remain in the same state. It should be accepted because we have already recognized ABB. So for any number of symbols following that ABB should be accepted. So this is the transition diagram, DFA for the ABB, substring ABB, strings having substring ABB. Now we need to construct the DFA that does not contain the substring ABB. Now we can check this problem for one correct input string, means A. Consider this input string. This string is having ABB as a substring, so it should be accepted by our DFA. So B, A, B, B, A. So it is accepted. Similarly, we can take one incorrect input string, AB. So this input string is not having ABB as a substring, so it should be rejected by our DFA. So from Q0, A goes to Q1, then B, so Q2, then A, so it is going to Q1, then A and B, so A, B. So we are in state Q2 after reading the final symbol. It is not a final state. So this is rejected by our DFA. Now we have to construct DFA for does not contain the string substring ABB. So this is a DFA for substring ABB, and this DFA accept all strings that does not contain the substring ABB. This is similar to the previous diagram. This is same as the previous diagram, but all the final states. Here Q3 is a final state, this is non-final state in this problem, and all the non-final states become final states. So now consider the same example. uh, uh, this input string has ABB as a substring, so our DFA should reject this because it should not contain substring ABB. So this string should be rejected by our DFA. Now we will check. So B A B B A. So B A B B A. So since Q3 is a non-final state, it is rejected by our DFA. Similarly, we can consider the second example. This string is not having A, B, B as a substring, so it should be accepted by our DFA. So A, B, A, B. So we are in state Q2. So it is accepted. This is one way of constructing the problem for strings that does not contain substring ABB. Thank you.